in ninth standard you have studied to locate the position of the points on the plane, and also we have learned about the distance of the point from the y-axis is called x coordinates, or it is also called as abscissa. And also we have learned about the distance of the point from the y-axis is called x coordinates, or it is also called as abscissa. And the distance from the point x-axis is called y coordinates, or it is also called as ordinates. Then for example, if in this point x comma 0, here the value of the coordinates of y is 0. If the y coordinate is 0, then this point lies on the x-axis. And if in this point, if the 0 comma y, here in this point the x coordinate is 0. If the x coordinate is 0, then this point lies on the y-axis. If the y coordinate is 0, it lies on the x-axis. If the x coordinate is 0, then it lies on the y-axis. This is all about you have learned in the previous class, that is in the ninth standard. Then today in this lesson, in this chapter, we are going to discuss about distance formula. How to find the distance between the 2 points. Okay, now here they are given the point 1 comma 3. Now here in this point it is having only one point. In this point always this first number is the x coordinate, and second number it is the y coordinate. In this point the always first number is the x coordinate and second number is the y coordinates. For example, if you have taken another one point 3 comma 8, in this point here also the first number is x coordinate and second number it is the y coordinate. Now here there are 2 points, 1 comma 3 it is the first point, 3 comma 8 it is the second point. Now listen, in this first point the value of x1 is denoting by x1, then the value of y is denoting by y1. x1 y1 means these are the values of x and y in the first point, because of it is the first point and it is the second point. That means the value of x1 and y1. x1 and y1 means these are the values of x and y in the first point. Then in second point it is denoting by x2 y2. x2 y2 means these are the values of x and y in the second point. For example, if they are given the third point 5 comma 6, now here it is the third point, then these coordinates are denoting by x3 y3, x3 and y3. x3 y3 are the values of x and y in the third point. Like this we are denoting the coordinates of the given point. Then next, the distance between the 2 points, the distance between the 2 points, p of x comma y, p of x1 comma y1, p of x1 comma y1 and q of x2 comma y2 is given by the distance between the 2 points p of x1 comma y1 and q of x2 comma y2 is given by PQ. The distance between the 2 points PQ is equal to square root of x2, the square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 minus y1 whole square. Now this formula is known as a distance formula. This formula is known as a distance formula. PQ means PQ means these are the two given points. The distance between the 2 points P of x1 comma y1 and Q of x2 comma y2 is given by PQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then this is also, distance is also denoting by, sometimes it is also denoting by D. D means distance between the 2 points. D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. It is known as a distance formula. Now here we are going to discuss some examples based on this distance formula. Okay, now here in this first example they are given that find the distance between the 2 points 2, 5 and 4, 9. Here they are given the 2 points. First point is 2, 5 and second point is 4, 9. Now here we have to find the distance between these 2 points. Now here first point is 2, 5, second point is 4, 9. Now here we know that in first point the coordinates of the first point is denoting by x1, y1. Then the coordinates of the second point is denoting by x2, y2. Now here we know that the values of x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then here we have to find the distance between these 2 points. Then D is equal to square root of x2. Write the formula of distance formula, that is D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now here we know that D is equal to square root of the value of x2 is 4 minus the value of x1 is 2 whole square plus the value of y2 is 9 minus the value of y1 is 5. 9 minus 5 whole square. Then D is equal to square root of 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 square plus 9 minus 5 is 4 whole square. Then next D is equal to square root of 2 square is 4 plus 4 square is 16. 2 square is 4 plus 4 square is 16. Then D is equal to square root of 4 plus 16 is 20. 16 plus 4 is 20. Now here distance between the 2 points is square root of 20. Now here write this one in the simplest form, square root. This 20 is also written as 4 5s 20. 20 is also written as 4 5s 20. Then D is equal to square root of D is equal to square root of 4 is 2. 2 square root of 5. Therefore, the distance between the 2 points is 2 square root 5 units. Therefore, the distance between the 2 points is 2 square root 5 units. Then take another one example. Next, second one. Okay, in this example, they are given that find the distance between the 2 points 2, 3 and 4, 1. Here also they are given the 2 points. First point is 2, 3 and second point is 4, 1. Now here first point is 2, 3 and second point is 4, 1. Now here we know that the coordinates of the first point is denoting by x1, y1. Then the coordinates of the second point is denoting by x2, y2. Now here we have to find the distance between these 2 points by using the distance formula. Then distance formula is D is equal to square root of square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now here d is equal to square root of now here we know that the values of x1 y1 and x2 y2. The value of x2 is 4. 4 minus the value of x1 is x1 value is 2. 4 minus 2 whole square plus the value of y2 is 1 minus the value of y1 is 3. 1 minus 3 whole square. The next d is equal to square root of 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 square plus then 1 minus 3. It is not possible to subtract 1 in 3. Then next if given two numbers having the opposite sign, subtract bigger number to the smaller number. Afterwards put the bigger number sign. Now here we have to subtract bigger number to the smaller number. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then bigger number sign is minus. Then minus 2 whole square. Now here we know that d is equal to square root of 2 square is 4. 2 square means 2 is multiplied by 2 times 2 2s are 4. Then 2 square is 4 plus minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square is equal to minus 2 whole square means minus 2 is multiplied by 2 times. Then it becomes minus 2 into minus 2. Then minus into minus it becomes plus 2 2s are 4. Then minus 2 whole square is plus 4. Then next now here we know that next d is equal to square root of 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Then next the distance between the 2 points is square root 8. But here we have to write the simplest form of square root 8. Then d is equal to square root of 8 is also written as 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Then next d is equal to square root of 4 is 2. Then remaining is 2. Then the distance between the 2 points is 2 square root 2 units. 2 square root 2 units. Therefore, the distance between these 2 points is 2 square root 2 units. Okay, now here we know that how to find the distance between the 2 points by using the distance formula. In next class, we are going to discuss the first exercise in this coordinate geometry. Thank you.